This team prosecuting Trump out of Georgia, we have records that they visited the White House. We have the receipt for his travels to the White House. It's not deniable. It's right there. They're not denying it, again, which is a telltale sign. White House counsel should never, ever have anything to do with a criminal prosecution, especially one that has political implications for the commander-in-chief, Joe Biden. You talk about conflict of interest. But here in Fulton County prosecutors, or the special prosecutor appointed by Fani Willis, that team going to the White House at least a couple of times, maybe other meetings. Talk about that all by itself, about how inappropriate and probably illegal, possibly illegal that is. But you start talking about his qualifications, Bill, we both did, and you got deep in the weeds about it. So we got Fani Willis, whatever her name is, appointing this guy, probably for personal reasons, financial reasons, claimed by these defendants' lawyers. But this is a filing I want to talk about. This is from Marjorie Taylor Greene. She's a representative from Georgia, and she has filed some motions here, ethics complaints, about Wade. So in a Thursday, now this is just recently, in a Thursday filing with the Georgia Ethics Commission, the Republican lawmaker, again Greene, accused Wade of a slew of misdeeds, including failing to file lobbyist paperwork over his solicitation, this is quote unquote, of Willis and his quote excessive gifts unquote, Bill, going back to what you said about receiving gifts as a government official, to the DA, and violating the Georgia Campaign Finance Act. Earlier this month, Greene reportedly filed a misconduct complaint against Willis, claiming that her alleged affair with Wade was an obviously illegal conflict of interest. Fulton County DA Fani Willis stands credibly accused of using Fulton County and federal COVID funds, here we go again, to pay her unqualified secret boyfriend Nathan Wade, who has never tried a felony case, $250 an hour to collude with the Biden White House counsel and help Fani Willis bring unprecedented RICO felony charges against President Trump and 18 co-defendants. So now she's claiming, Greene, that he violated lobbyist laws by soliciting Fani Willis while she's the DA, which in turn resulted in him being appointed prosecutor. This stinks to high heaven of corruption on both ends. Maybe that's why they ended up being, pardon the pun, bedfellows. But this is what we have. I'm gonna give you one more short paragraph here. Greene, however, believes that Wade should be also held accountable for allegedly failing to follow the state laws about lobbyists. In her complaint, Greene says that Wade's law firm is a state vendor under the Georgia Campaign Finance Act, and that therefore he needs to report any lobbying activities. This gets deep in the weeds. I think that these two open a can of worms are going to be sorry that ever happened.